afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
How are you, sir? How you're doing?
I'm fine, Nancy, and thanks to give me the opportunity to invite in this session. Thanks to
Yes,
invite.
sir. Yes, sir. So,
Thanks.
firstly, thank you very much for taking out the time and accepting our invitation for this podcast. So, to begin with, could you please introduce yourself and share a little bit about your journey?
Myself, Satya Prakash Arya. So basically, I belong from Jharkhand, and almost I'm having more than 15 year of experience in HR and operation, and almost I have worked with all the type of industry like banking sector, finance and banking, IT, manufacturing industry, aviation firm, NGO as well. Okay, so you must heard about the ICC Bank, Genpact, G-Money, ENY. So these are my top organizations where I work with. So my last organization was the RBS. So I have started my journey in 2006. So and I entered in HR in 2010. So almost during my professional journey, I have worked with lots of the ERP tool. Okay, including the Workday. So Workday have started in 2019. Okay, so I started as a analyst, but time to time I enter into the HR domain, the various the functional the part like initially I was handling the entire the talent acquisition part. Then I entered into the payroll, the compliance, the learning development. Okay, so these are my the type where I have worked with. Okay, I connected with Henry Harvin in 2022. Still, I have delivered lots of batches, including the Workday batches. So that's it. This is my professional journey.
So, for someone who is completely new to this domain, how would you explain the Workday HCM skill to them?
So there are two scenarios. Either the person is completely fresher. Okay, there is no experience in any field. Okay, this is the first scenario. Second scenario, the person is having some experience, but he is having in a different the field. He or she is having in a different. But in Workday, there is no experience in Workday. So Workday is actually the provides three type of the solution. Okay, in the market, HR, finance, and the student. Okay, lots of big universities also using the Workday tool just to manage their system. So basically, if you are from HR background or finance background, so there is a full scope. Okay, you just if you completely new in Workday, but you having some experience in HR field or the financial, then either you can join any organization using the Workday tool already. At least you have to work at least 5 months, 6 months. Then you have to explore the Workday tool first. Okay, these are the first. If you don't want to invest any money in the market, okay, you are completely new and you want to explore the thing. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second, the way either you can join any lots of the institute is there. Henry Hanby is the one, the very popular in the market. There are other institute is also there, but the Henry Harvin is I have connected with last 2 years, so I know this is one of the popular the brand in the market. Okay? So you can join any institute where you can learn at least. So you have to start with the Workday functional the tool first. You have to be if you are from the HR background or financial the background, no matter. So you have to be start with Workday HCM tool. Why? Because this is the fundamental tool. Workday provides various module, but you have to be start your journey first the HCM tool. Why? Because this is the core part of the Workday. You have to be understand how to what are the concept in which concept the Workday tool is working. Workday is basically the cloud-based ERP tool, which is a SaaS-based, okay, software as a service. So software as a service in the sense the organization don't need to be worried about any server networking. Okay, normally if you purchase any the software, so you have to be manage all the tool. Okay, you have to manage your storage, networking. Okay, these are the things. So initially this thing has happened, but recently the new technology is coming the market, which is a cloud tool. So the cloud, the Workday is basically the cloud based. So you don't need to be worried about that. You just need to subscribe the Workday tool, and the Workday will provide you. Workday is responsible for all the related to your software server. They will manage. Okay, so this is the best thing. You have to be you have to be start your journey with the fundamental tool. Okay, so how the Workdays works. Okay, what are the basically the business object. You have to be learn about this thing. These are the core concepts. Okay, in which the concept the securities works. Okay, Okay, what are the business process? Okay, how to configure your organization. You have to be basic concept. You have to understand. So Workday is all about the basic concept. If you know your fundamental is clear, then you can enter in any domain. Okay, that's why the subject is very important. The Workday HCM. It is about to core the tool. Okay, so these are first thing. You can learn the Workday HCM, and then you can at least you have to be. If you are a completely fresher, then you can learn this the topic, and then you can in the market various job is available. Okay, project based job. You can start. You can do some internship program. Okay, there are lots of Workday. There are in the market there are two types of company is available. Okay, the Workday partner company and Workday customer company. Workday customer company in the sense who are using the Workday tool. So and the Workday partner in the sense the company who are the partner with the Workday. Partner in the sense what happening actually in Workday if you want to do some implementation part, so you require the Workday certification. So in the market nobody will provide you the work, only the Workday the company will provide you the Workday certification, just like other certificates like Microsoft certification, Google certification. So Workday also provide you their own certification. So you have to be so in the market there are already some big company who are already having the certification from the Workday. So those are called Workday partner company like the IBM, Accenture. Okay, many companies are KPMG, Deloitte, PwC. Okay, so many companies are who are already tie up with the company. Okay, so if you are working with those company, so these company are already providing lots of the project based jobs. So if you are completely new, either you are completely fresher or you have something experience but not having the Workday. There are two scenario. Either the person is completely fresher. If the in this case the person can join any the institute and learn this fundamental course, the Workday HCM, which is a core the part of the Workday tool. So you have to complete and then you can join any internship program which is available in the market like project based job. Second way, the second scenario, if either you are having some experience like HR field, so you can directly enter in any company who having the who are using the Workday tool, so you can join and work at least 2 3. Okay, so if the company will provide you the some training, then well and good. Otherwise you can join any the course. Okay, in institute complete this course. Yes.
So, sir, like, what kind of career opportunities a person can consider after learning this Workday?
So in the market, there are lots of the opportunity in the market. So basically, which company is using the Workday tool? So they having the very specific profile. Okay, but if I'm telling you the broader the aspect, so there are two opportunity. Either you can become as a Workday consultant, or you can become as a Workday functional consultant. So if you join in a customer company, so they will expect the thing you are expert as a Workday consultant. You having the expertise into the development, implementation, the functional. You can handle some any function part. Okay, so they're expecting. But if you working with partner company, so they're expecting something all the thing. You are expert in as a Workday consultant. You can do anything. You can develop the thing as I can. Okay, as the company want, whatever the company want. You can do some implementation. You have to be expert into the some programming language. Okay, XML coding thing. So these are things is required. So implementation, if the companies require implementation, mostly the partner companies require the implementation part. Okay, so in this case you require the Workday certificates. So this is not possible to every student. Okay, this is suitable for those who are having the developer background. Okay, so this is the thing. And second opportunity you can become as a Workday functional the consultant. Functional consultant again having two types. Either you can it's a support consultant. You are not a consultant, but you are a support consultant. Support consultant again having two types. Either you can become as a functional consultant, or you can become as a techno functional consultant. Functional consultant in the sense any function you can handle. Okay, whether you are HR domain or finance domain, any lots of the function is there in HR and finance. Any function you can handle. Second part, techno functional in the sense you can handle the functional part as well as you have to give some technical support. Some configuration is required. Okay, lots of reporting things required. All the time you need to be support to the team. There are two career options. Otherwise, in the market, lots of the job is available. like
Hmm.
the domain related the job, like project manager, analyst, okay, senior analyst. So it's a just like hierarchy, okay. So you have
Yeah.
to be start the journey with as a analyst, functional analyst, then so different company structure having their structure accordingly they provided the job. So lots of job is
Oh,
available, okay. But
okay.
I'm just dealing with a broader level, which is more popular in the
Yes.
market. It is
Yes.
basically the based on US demand, and the salary is also very. There's no limitation in the salary.
So, sir, like,
Yeah.
lastly, what advice you want to give to the students or either working professionals who are, considering a career in Workday HCM?
So I'll suggest to all the participant, all the person who are interested to enter in this the domain. So you can start your journey first. You have to be learn first the basic concept. As I told you, the core concept. Okay, in which concept the workdays works. Okay, you have to be explore your the tool first. Okay,
Yes.
how the workdays works. At least you have to be subscribe the workday, which is possible in any institute or any company. So you have to be explore the workday tool. So I'll suggest to all the person you have to start your journey with workday HCM, the core part. Then you can move any domain you want to
Okay.
enter into the time tracking, you want to enter into the leave and absence, you want to enter into the payroll, you want to perform only the PMS part. So it's completely up to you. So once you
Okay.
having the experience into the fundamental part, then automatically you will it's depending upon your work profile, what exactly the day to day work you are performing. Okay, so timely you will learn the time to time, and then first you have expert in particular the module, then you can enter in different modules.
Okay.
So at least be expert on at least three module.
Okay.
Okay, once you acquire the expertise in a three model, then you can you can apply as a consultant in the market.
So, sir, thank you very much for share your valuable insights from your experience and to take out the time to, answer to our questions. And it is very helpful. Of course, it's very helpful for the people who are considering their career in this particular field and for us as.
Yeah, thanks,
Thank you, sir.
Nancy.